Greetings. To convert currency with freecurrencyrates.com, after it loads, you come here to pick your currency of choice, the one that you want to convert from. So currently this one is in Hong Kong dollar. Then you click here to change, and then you can pick the currency that you intend to convert from. So if I go with Poland here, and then you put in the amount, okay? Put in the amount that you want to convert from. You can put, let's say, 10,000, and then here is where you decide the currency that you want to convert to. So I can put this, let's say, in Russian currency, and as you can see, it has converted. So this 10,000 Polish to the Russian ruble. Thank you.